Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, open a reputable platform, complete profile fields, and upload ID for verification. Do not skip this. Once verified, link PayPal or bank for fast payouts. Make sure two-factor is enabled to protect earnings. Choose one or two niches like transcription or simple spreadsheet entry so you build speed and credibility. You practice short time tasks to record average minutes per task, then set realistic hourly goals. This reduces overwhelm and gets paid work flowing quickly. Once you have steady tasks, optimize workflow with templates, hotkeys, and a single sheet tracker. These speed the repetitive work and reduce errors. You batch similar tasks together, segregate transcription from numeric entry to maintain rhythm. Make quality checks every 20-30 minutes because consistent accuracy raises client ratings and unlocks higher-paying gigs. When applying, tailor one strong sentence and attach two concise samples. This increases interview invites and helps you move from low pay to $15.25. Plus, to finish, perform a final quality pass. Fix typos, normalize formatting, and add timestamps only when requested. You upload files in the client's preferred format, then message to confirm delivery and invite feedback. This builds trust and repeat work. If payment is late, check payment settings and delivery timestamps, then open a formal dispute with screenshots and messages. Keep calm, escalate only after 48-72 hours. One troubleshooting tip: save all communication and file versions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.